welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with the last GlossyBox unboxing for my channel. And I know I sound super excited about that. We'll jump into that in just a minute. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. Glad to have you here today. For those of you that are new here, welcome. My name is Tasha, and on my channel I do makeup unboxings, I do makeup try-ons, reviews, kind of anything related to makeup. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing. I do upload 3 times a week. And without any more talk, we're going to go ahead and jump right into GlossyBox. So I've had some poor experience with GlossyBox and their customer service, some issues with particularly my first box, and they would not do anything about it. And unfortunately, I subscribed for a 3-month period. They wouldn't give me any money back. I just very disappointed with that. I don't want to get into negative stuff, but I know if you look on reviews, there are quite a few people who have had similar or very same experiences. So I did stop my GlossyBox subscription. I will not be getting it again. I just don't want to support that type of a company that isn't, especially with all of the challenges, going to help a little bit with what's going on. So no more bad talk. We're going to jump right into GlossyBox. So typically GlossyBox, and I do have to say they do a great job with their packaging. It will come in an outer box like this. And then once you open up the box, typically there are some free money off cards, and I will put the discount codes in there. There is one for Velvet, so it's Velvet Sunnies, and there is a code Aloha on the back for a discount of $25 off your order. I don't really know Velvet. I'm assuming that it's some kind of a swimwear company, so certainly check that out. And then Vincero watches, so $50 gift card to Vincero watches, and there's the code right there, but again, I'll link it all down in the description box. This month for July, it is a special box, and that's the other thing. The GlossyBox boxes are gorgeous. They are very hard cardboard, so they are reusable, and just like this, typically they're just a pink box. But the special boxes have some kind of a pattern or different color. So you can see it's Aloha is the theme for July. And then once you open the box, it is typically beautifully packaged. The inside has quite a bit of detail, so that's the top of it. Here is the bottom. It is tied and comes with quite a few things in it. We won't look at the card yet. We'll kind of check that out once we go through all of the products. But there's the beautiful card, and again, Aloha is the theme for this month. So very, very beautiful, I do have to say. So let's go ahead and jump into the products really quick. The box comes beautifully packaged again, and we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. So first thing is a Daily Concepts exfoliating dual texture scrubber. And it says it's a mild exfoliator. I'm going to open this up so I can actually feel it. Oh yeah, so a little bit of an elastic thing right here. This side of it is very soft. This side of it is a little bit kind of plasticky. And so it has a little bit of an exfoliating thing. So again, you'd soak this up and you can probably use it all over your body. Let's, instead of pretending like I know what I'm talking about, actually read. Yes, this body scrubber is perfect even for the most sensitive of skin to buff away dead skin cells and dirt. Plus, its shape covers more surface area to get more cleaning done. It is $12 in cost. So you soak this up and then kind of use it all over. I do like this. This is actually nice. I think that'll come in handy. I do like scrubbers and things like that. The only thing you have to be careful of is making sure that it doesn't get yucky and smelly kind of thing, so definitely make sure you're washing it and taking care of it. The next product is Hawaiian Black Sea Salt Peel Off Mask. And so this mask says boost your skincare routine with this detoxifying peel off mask from Freeman Beauty. This skincare treatment helps gently exfoliate and rejuvenate skin for a luminous complexion. And so basically you put this all over, you let it dry, kind of sit on your skin, and then you peel it off. So it's one of those peel off masks. 3 to 4 uses inside of here, so that's a pretty decent trial thing. For me, I'm not a big fan of peel-off masks, but that's just personal opinion. Some people really love them. The cost of a full-size product, which is 6 ounces, is $4.29. This is not a full-size product. This is only 1.18 fluid ounces versus 6. So interesting. I'm surprised they wouldn't just give you a full-size product here for that cost. At any rate, though, super cool to try, especially for those of you, for people who have kind of oily skin. It'll help detoxify. So there's the next product. The next thing that we received is Northern Lights Smoothing Fluid. So it is a beautiful, beautiful package, this kind of peachy pink color around the outside. Let's open it up. It is sealed. I love, love, love when products come with a seal. So let's open it up and check it out. Oh, that's interesting. It is pink in color. We'll put a little bit right here on my skin. So it's that same pinky peach color, not quite as vibrant as that right there, but it is pinky peach in color. It doesn't really smell like anything. I don't know if it's supposed to smell like apricots or something like that, but it is very creamy, very hydrating. Yeah, it doesn't really smell like a whole lot. I do like that creaminess though. That is beautiful. And so this Northern Lights is natural face fluid, is packed with Siberian olive, rich in vitamin C and salicylic acid to give you a radiant skin, tighter pores, and more refined skin surface. So basically you just put this on like a cream. So we got a deluxe size sample. It's worth $22. A full size sample, which is 50 ml, is $46. That's kind of pricey. But like I said, beautiful. It is super creamy and really, really nice. And you can't really smell a whole lot of anything. So I do like that. That's super nice. The next product that we received, beautiful packaging. It's Smoothing Hawaii Facial Oil. Sandalwood and lavender for all skin types. I know with the reflection it's kind of hard to see the bottle. All of the writing is kind of in a reflective metallic. Oh, that's interesting. So just a big old hole there, and it is literally just oil. I'm going to be super careful so you can see it's just literally oil. I know you can't see that running down my skin, but it's just literally a big tube of oil. Oh, it does smell like lavender though, which I do really, really appreciate. So this, and I have oil all over now. I do have to say, I don't like how to dispense that because it will come out super fast. You saw that big opening. And for me, I am not always the most, I'm a little rough. So I could see myself dumping this all over the place. So this gentle facial oil provides the ideal treatment to relax and comfort irritated or sensitive skin. Created using a careful combination of hydrating sandalwood and soothing lavender essential oils, your skin will feel comfortable throughout the entire day. So it basically says take a few drops, rub it upward in circulating motions on the skin for optimal application. And so it really looks like it could be used to the whole body. It is a pretty thick oil. I don't know if I would put it on my face, but I'm sure you could. And it says you can use it to hydrate combination skin, so that's interesting. It does say avoid direct contact with eyes. So a full size 100 milliliters is $39. We received a deluxe sample. It's 30 milliliters. So definitely not a full size there. I do love the way it smells. It is very, very oily, and just that little bit, I have it everywhere. I have it everywhere. So just be careful when you're dispensing this, but very nice. Certainly cool option. The next size is the next product that we have is one of those tear packets. So there's 2 of them here, and it's a coconut oil conditioner. So it says say hello to a tropical treat with this hydrating hair conditioner infused with softening Monoi oil, M-O-N-O-I, Moni oil. A blend of Tahitian gardenias and coconut oil to hydrate and strengthen. This conditioner protects against damage by softening and strengthening your locks. So I bet it would smell wonderful. I'm not going to open the packets because they're not resealable. It's just 2 tear packets. They are pretty full here. It does say moisturizes and revitalizes all hair types. And basically it's one of those masks that you'll leave on your hair for 10 to 15 minutes. So a full size, which is 12 ounces, is $5.99. We received 2 50 milliliter samples. Again, for the price, why would you not just get a full size? Next product that I have is Palm Balm. Take a breather with this 2-in-1 combo that enhances your lips and cheeks with a lovely shade of peachy rose. Formulated with coconut and apricot kernel oil, your skin will have a gorgeous, fresh, tropical glow. I know you can't see the packet, but it's basically a berry pink packet with little coconuts all over them, and it says Palm Balm. Let's go ahead and open it up. So very cute little container, very tealy with silver writing on the top, glass container. Although the container is big, you can see that the product only goes to here. This is just glass. Very rosy pink, and it is a very stiff formula. I thought with the oils that it might be a little thinner, but it is very stiff. There is the color. I'm going to try and put it on a part of my skin that doesn't have oil all over. Very pretty color. I think it would be nice and hydrating on the lips. Apricot kernel oil is supposed to be very, very good for your skin. I do think particularly in the summer, if you put it on your cheeks, and so I'm just dotting, it might get a little bit oily and shiny, but for just a fresh, real quick look or for hydration, I do like that. That is very nice. So really quickly, this is free of all bad stuff. It is cruelty-free and vegan, so I do like that as well. So let's really quickly add up if I can figure it out, add up all of the costs for this. So after kind of dividing and adding everything up, the total for the box is $69. Now the cost for this box is about $25. So really, based on some of the other boxes that you get, the value for this type of box, and pretty consistently, it's not a super high value box. I think they guarantee $65 or something like that. In my perspective, just isn't worth it. And so that's another reason why I'm not continuing GlossyBox. I just don't think the value is there for what you get. I think with BoxyCharm, I think with Ipsy, even with Allure, you get much more, 3-4 times what you're paying in products kind of thing, versus this is only twice the value of what you're getting. So you're paying $25, you're getting $69, so again a little more than twice the value. But at any rate, I think that there are other boxes that are much more value friendly. So last box for GlossyBox. Let me know what you guys think. Is GlossyBox something you guys really enjoy? What are other boxes that you really, really like that you would like to see me unbox? Leave me a comment, please. I would really appreciate the feedback. Thank you so much for being here today. I loved having you with me. Please take care of yourselves. Be happy, stay safe, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.